Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 100-piece set of silicone bandages. Now these are really nice because they actually come in a variety of sizes. You have 4 different sizes on here. So this is really nice with the silicone. It's great for sensitive skin, and the way that you open it, first of all, I love that. I'm not trying to fiddle with anything. It's got a nice little opening at the top to be able to pull onto. And then when you open it up, you can actually see the inside of it. It's got a little flexibility. You can see that moving. So that way, if it's on like a joint or anything, you're not gonna have, where some Band-Aids, you just feel like you're stuck in that Band-Aid. But this, as I use it, you've got the nice little pad right here that's nice and soft. You can easily put it on my arm or anywhere really. It sticks right on, and I mean, I can barely feel that. So that is really nice. And with the variety of different sizes that they actually have, this huge one right here, there's 5 of these in here, and they're 4 by 4 inch. And then you've got your large pieces, which I've got on my arm right here, and that's 2 by 4. You've got the 1 by 3, and then you have a 0.75 by 3 inch on here. So that's more like the standard Band-Aid size. But with the silicone, what makes these great is when you pull it off, like that honestly did not even hurt. I'm not, if I need to put it back on and check something, it sticks again. So, a lot of little kids want to see what's underneath, what happened, how's the, Band-Aid working or whatever. That's awesome. I mean, that's 3 times on there, and that is still on there. Really great. These feel really nice. I love the size variety. 100 of them, they'll last a really long time.